11 must-haves if you are a Philippine bar examinee.
Before we continue, if you enjoy this type of content, then consider subscribing to this channel. It will likewise make me smile if you share this to your friends, family and relatives.
If you are a bar examinee, here is what you should have in your study kit.
1. Must have Bar Exam Syllabus.
The Bar Exam Syllabus is the list of topics that are covered during the exam. Only topics that are included in the syllabus will be the source of bar exam questions. Needless to say, in order for you not to waste your effort, better consult the bar syllabus whether the topic you are reading is included in the bar exam coverage.
2. Must focus in one study material.
Study materials are important. If you have notes during your undergrad, then use them. Make sure that you focus on one material, read the law and annotations for that topic, then study jurisprudence covered by the bar exam syllabus and bar exam questions for that topic. You can borrow from a friend or borrow from a library to help with your study time. It will be helpful for you to read the previous bar exam questions so that you will be familiarized on the manner the questions are being crafted. One common mistake of barristers is to gather all available review materials from different schools and ending having difficulty in learning the same. Avoid that problem, focus in one material at a time.
3. Must have a bar review schedule.
I will emphasize that making a schedule for your bar review is very important. Absence of a schedule will negatively affect your confidence as the date of the bar exams approaches. As per my experience, focus more of your time to heavily weighted bar exam subjects. Allocate more time to subjects with higher percentage share in order for you to have higher chances of passing the bar exams.
4. Must have highlighters and/or pens.
Highlighter and/or pens are essential for the Philippine bar examinee to study. They can be used in the following ways. To highlight important points, especially on cases that you find particularly interesting or which have provided useful information on your studies. You may also want to use this method if you find it easier than writing notes in your own words, or if there are some words that are difficult for you at first glance but easy enough once they're properly understood, for example, bankruptcy. It should be noted that wrong spelling in bar exams is a big no-no. You must fix it as fast as you could. To write notes when reading law books or articles, issues related to the course material being studied. This way, these materials will become much more clear-cut because of all the information being presented by way of explanation rather than just simply stating facts without any context behind them. Moreover, writing will help you more in recalling the doctrines that you read.
5. You must have a good law review school, or do you really need one?
There are many good law review schools around the country. It is not required that you enroll in these institutions because you have already undergone rigorous training in your 4 to 5 years stay in your respective law schools. However, enrolling at bar review schools provide added confidence that one might conquer the bar exams. As to my personal experience, enrolling in review school is not a must, but it can mitigate your worries. Hence, it will provide a feeling of comfort that you are doing all efforts that might help you in passing the bar exams. In general, enrolling in review school will really help you in the bar exams, but you can pass the bar even without enrolling at any review school.
6. You must have a comfortable study area.
The study area should be quiet and private. You should have a quiet space where you can concentrate on your studies without distraction. The room should be well lit, so that you can read or write in dim light as well as see the clock, calendar and other important information on the wall easily. It is also important that there are no fans in your room because they make noise when operating and can cause eye strain if you're studying late into the night.
7. Must have a bar exam ready laptop.
When you're preparing for the bar exam, it's important to have the right laptop. The best thing about a laptop is that it can be used for both review and the actual test. You can study on your own time and then use the same device when it comes time to take your exam. This way, you won't have to worry about switching between multiple devices or having an extra battery pack at home. The laptop will last longer than any other device because its battery doesn't need charging as often as other gadgets do. Check the guidelines released by the court to see if the laptop that you bought or your current laptop can support the system of ExamSoft, the software that will be used in the actual bar exams.
8. Must be a member of Facebook group for bar examinees.
If you are a bar examinee, the best way to stay connected is through a Facebook group that is specifically for bar examinees. You can find this group by searching for Philippine Bar Examinees. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. It also helps to keep track of all of the important happenings related to the bar examinations. Better join the group so that you will be updated with all the activities required by the bar chairman. Some of the FB page groups that you can join are the following: November 2022 Bar Exam Support Group Philippines with 11,000 members, and #2022 Bars Exams. Kami Naman, Help Group with 9,100 members. Go and join them.
9. Must have enough rest and sleep.
It is important to rest and sleep enough, even if you are preparing for the bar exam. You will be tired from all of the studying, so it is important that you get enough rest before this exam. Sleep deprivation can cause health problems such as heart disease, high blood pressure and diabetes. Sleep also helps your brain process information better when taking the bar exam.
10. Must have a good iPad or tablet for review.
Some prefer paper reviewer while others just like me prefer reviewing using devices such as iPad and/or tablet. I convert PDF files to Word files, then I apply the read aloud function of Microsoft Word. It works like magic to me. I read reviewers with ease and can remember them easier as compared to reading via hard paper. You can use ilovepdf.com to convert PDF reviewers to Word file.
11. Must have focus.
The bar exam is a very important experience for every examinee. It can be stressful and overwhelming, but it is also an opportunity to grow as a person. Here are some tips for how you can keep focused during your bar exam. Focus on your studies. While there are many things that you will have to do in the weeks leading up to the bar examination, don't let yourself get distracted by other things or activities, like work. If you really want to pass the bar exam, carve out time each day just for studying so that when exam day comes around, everything will run smoothly without any problems or setbacks due to lack of preparation time beforehand.
Conclusion.
As you can see, there are many things that must be done in order to prepare for the bar exam. It is important to remember that all of these steps will help you succeed, but if you do not do them right away, then your chances for success may get smaller by the second. Remember that the bar exam is more than just memorizing facts and figures. It's also about being able to apply those facts and figures correctly on exam day. A good way of doing this would be by spending time practicing questions from previous year's bar exam questions before taking your first mock bar exam so that when it comes time for the actual bar exam, you will be prepared.
Don't forget to subscribe if you find this vlog helpful.